Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of actually playing videos on TikTok and you don't hear a sound on your computer. For example, this is TikTok. I'm using my Chrome, but if I play this video, they kind of actually don't produce any sound. And there's a kind of a speaker here, and even if actually are playing and I try to increase the volume, it doesn't actually make any noise. So how can you fix that? So what happens is if you are kind of okay, let me show you something. So if you go on your speaker and even if you increase, like, the voice doesn't really come out. Even if you go to your PC, you can't really increase the volume of your TikTok videos on your computer. What you have to do is you go here in the address bar, here where you see like tiktok.com. There's those icons before the website. I'm not sure what they are called, but you just have to click on them. This icon is between the refresh button and the website. Okay, so you click on it and you realize actually the sound is off. So you just have to actually just put it on. Okay, if you want also notifications, you can tick it on. But for now, let me just tick on the sound. So after ticking on the sound, when you play now the videos on TikTok, realize they will actually have a sound. Okay, put sounds on your TikTok on your computer in case the volume is muted, or if actually it's vice versa. If you don't want actually videos on, if you don't want your TikTok videos to play with the sound, you can always actually tick them off from here. If you want them to have a voice, you can always have this thing on. Okay, so that's how you can put it on, put it off. Okay, let me know if the video has helped you, and leave a like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.